Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about how to generate documents in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So if you're using Adhere SSMS, so you cannot find generating document feature. So for this we need to use Adhere DB for Studio 2019 for SQL Server. So if you like to know how to download and install, so you should follow this video how to install DB for Studio for SQL Server. Now let's see how to create the document. So at here go to Tools tab and here you can find New Document. Click there. So at here, uh, so first we need to select the connection. So at here going to add new connection. So let's give the server name, that is going to select SQL Server 17. So at here I'm using SQL Server 2017. Now here after let's give user login and here give the password. And this is the optional part, click on test. So connect successfully connected. Now hereafter click on OK. So at here this is the database here inside SQL Server 17. Now hereafter again, so at here document 1 DT OC it's open, click on add connection. So at here this time it's come, select there and hereafter click on select. Now here, so at here this is, so at here first I'm going to add the logo. So at here click on browse and from system you can take any picture. So you should use add here or suitable logo. So I'm going to use add here butterfly. So this is only for tutorial purpose. So this logo and hereafter let's give header. So at here giving the header. So going to select add here JSON database. So add here JSON DB and here header. Now here you can give the description about the project. So and here this is for, so this is for I'm using and here this is for tutorial purpose. Now here after let's give author name. Going to give at here Sam. Now here let's select created. So select anyone. So going to select at here year, month, day. Now here after the next part is, so this part has been done and here after the next going to select add here JSON database. So here this is the JSON database and here you can find the properties SQL Server version, addition, compatibility and here database status, max size, option and here is a snapshot. You can see all the properties of JSON database and here this is add here author Sam. Here you can find created date here. Now here after, so here you can use add here collapse all and here this is the property and here after you can see the options. Now here if you click project, so here you can see the first page of the document. Now here after the next thing is, so going to select add here content DB. So add here this is the content DB. It's selected. So add here this is the retrieving metadata. So it might take some time to retrieve the data. So add here content DB. Now here this is the building document. So here you can find here this is the description. Here you can write description about content DB. Here you can see table user database role and schema. And here you can see the properties. And here database files content DB. Here this is the size, rows tab and here log tab this size and here you can see the location here. So two files MD8 and LDF. Now hereafter you can check the properties of table here, and hereafter user, and here database role, and here schema you can find and here, and here you can see the groups. Now hereafter, so at here this is the document for content DB. Here if you double click on the table, so it will display the table underscore 1, table underscore 2, and hereafter if you select at here content DB, now here you can see schema. So this schema inside there. So like this, I'm going to double click on JSON database. So right here, this is the retrieving metadata of JSON. So right here, build document. The first step is in running. Now first part has been done. Build document is done. So here you can, inside JSON, there are so many objects, table view, synonym, store procedure, table, value, function. There are so many things inside JSON. So that here it's all come inside there. Now from here you can see the views, double clicking views, and here if you want, then here you can give the description about called a snapshot views. So there are so many things here. Now here after let's select JSON once again. Now here after you can see at here properties, and here you can find the author, and here this is the create date. Now here after you can see and here database trigger. So this is the trigger. If you want, then here you can double click, and here you can see the properties of the trigger. The trigger name add operator check, and this is the query of the trigger. So this is the simplest way we can add here generate. Now here after let's click on generate. So at here we have three options: HTML, PDF, and Markdown. So at here if you select at here HTML, then this will execute run on the browser. So let's give at here document, JSON document name, JSON doc. So this will save in document here. Now click on generate. So it's generating the document. So at here generating document, I think 80% has been done. So at here content DB, now it's done. Now hereafter let's go add here document part, and here so uh, okay, JSON document, it's a folder it's created. Now click there. Now here you can see font image. So this is the image here. Now hereafter let's click on preview. So this is the HTML tag. Click on preview. So it's a run on the browser. Now here you can see JSON here. This is the tables, and here you can see the views. If you double click, then views, it's open. And here course upload, character, this all those things, and here you can see this all those things about name, values, permission, queries, everything. Now here after the next thing is, so at here this the trees here. Trees like at here first is cover page. So here if you double click here, this the logo, and here this the server name, and here this, and here this the SAM, and here this the created, and here this the header. So this is the simplest way we can create document in SQL Server. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.